Good morning. My name is Jacob Folger. I'm an artist sculptor, and today we're going to make a abstract painting. I'm working on a canvas board. This is a little bit more economical than a stretch canvas, and I'll be working with a palette knife. You can get palette knives online at eBay for about $9 or $10 for 6 of them, 6 different sizes. And we're going to be using Utrecht Studio Series acrylic in a variety of colors, and that's a medium body paint. And we'll get started here. I'm going to start off with light blue, put it right on the canvas. Just putting it on with a palette knife. Want to get all the white of the canvas covered. Put a little bit more on there. Now when you're putting this on, you want to hold the knife almost flat to the canvas. There we go. I'm just going to go over it lightly. Put my cap back on my paint. And you always want to keep the paint away from the canvas when you're putting the cap on or off. I'm going to wipe off my palette knife with a paper towel. Get it nice and clean. And then I want to give the appearance that there's movement in the background. And so I'm going to use primary blue, which is a darker blue. And I'm going to put it directly on my palette knife like that. And just go over it lightly. Just like putting butter on bread. And that gives the appearance of movement. And then I'm going to go to cadmium red light hue. Before I do that, I'm going to wipe my palette knife off again. Cadmium red light hue. Put it directly on my palette knife. And I want to put it right in the center. So like this. A little bit more on there. Like that. Now I want to get a little bit of red over here too. And over here. Maybe a little bit up here. And wipe my palette knife off again. Now I'm going to go to primary blue, and I'm going to put it on a paper plate. Like this. And I'm going to put my knife into it and draw it out so my knife is almost flat to the plate, and then I'm going to scoop like that so it's right on the edge of the knife, and holding the knife at just a slight angle so the paint is touching the canvas. I'm going to draw a line, a curved line like that. Now I'm going to get a little bit more paint on the palette knife like that. And I'm going to put a series of lines, swirling lines, on the canvas. And then I want to set that down and get a paper towel and clean my palette knife off again. And I'm going to get some bright white with another paper plate. And I'm going to bring it flat to the paper plate so that I can pick some up like that. And I'm going to put another line on it, just curving the knife. And then I want to put some yellow on it. So I have some medium yellow here. Another paper plate. I want to wipe off my palette knife. So whenever I'm switching colors, I'm wiping my palette knife off. and clean my palette knife off. I just want to put some lines in like this. Just curving the knife like that, see? And there we go. Clean the palette knife off again. And here we go. This is what the painting looks like. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. I do many videos along these lines. Please give the video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I try to reply to all comments. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.